independence baby bia wo bia me say na 6 March aye sronko na Adum TV4 yesi ye mamu nyina happy 65th birthday Emma Ghana enya 65 years. Wow. Yada mpanyefo ase so omu gusu akitakui na yenti ntokwa ne basabasa bia na Ghana egusu etumpon. Ene from the journey so ya rishimu nyina happy independence. Na ene dwumadi ni dedition na ye stronko because me maami na me de ne ba ne de oh me yesei na ma yesei na ma yesei so wo fie wa hu me de me nka bibia na ansa na me ye introduction ma me nda aboafo a omo asomasi na me de dwumadi ebro na wotwe bia e time herbal mixture o se malaria de wadro anytime we are na the give us clean care esiesie fie na efie ayefe lip tomato paste or ma aduane enye de and a Spanish garlic for now somasin and a medi season 5 ebro e wo Adum TV so ene Independence Day eti ye ni age ye bechiase na ye wi aya ye Ghana asede na ye de nkomo no ahyehye so mommy AMZ
sharp and ye cheers here.
Happy Independence.
Same to you, baby.
Ansa na ye be hwedwumadi na se no Ghana ye woni ama mienu bi aye ka na ekire se oye Ghana ni eti ubebua me na yaka the national pledge.
Oh my goodness. Abena Ghana.
Akumaa.
And now also the me too so
Mama.
and the cheers here.
Zimbi.
Happy 65th Independence Day. Oh my goodness. Okay. Me de me wine glass ni share me nante. Na I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I pledge myself to the service of Ghana with all my strength and with all my heart. I promise to hold in high esteem our heritage, one for us, our heritage, one for us, through the bloodless toil of our fathers. And I pledge myself in. Maybe. I'm not gonna maybe.
Cheers.
That's my idea now.
Oh, Papa B.
That's a beautiful wine.
Thank you.
I'm loving it.
Thank you. Yeah, who say we hear programs ewo TV so na sa dwumadi no say ne obi bie na no na o kasa. We can mention that kind of program without AMC.
Sharp.
A DNA inspire you to do that unique thing.
In the good Bible, no, you say marriage is honorable. Na nyankopon na boy yen e won seso no. O say oyiri ni okunu ebebomu na edipa baako. Enti many na many efi no. Na nyame adoma me papa de me hu omo misunderstanding kitwe bi but me hu say prolong ye many ehu da se me maame park ne ma so okọ many ehu da se maame ne nafofo atena se ye kan papa ho asem ana entokwa na me maame edi me papa teme bufo so a onu aduane ana me hu de bia me papa kan say ye school fees on tua yare am na ontata de my but em na ye nyi no ye ko school it mun say obitimi yare ubisa na ne boy enfre no ne boy amane no you call holidays no vacation no okọ na ne boy afa girl na we a say e mun say bebe ntina utimun say odo no
Odo
ekunipa
yeah
odo e manipa bodam ubisa say odo kala ne den kra no a wo hu nka nkyere wo odo e mobi ebu ne maame anane papa enimtia odo amobi edidi penny bia ankono ense fata se osan di sa penny natem na oye sa ne mani nyina no okun ni maame ma odo owie ni maame sika ma odo oje school because of odo wan course because of odo no sa be ima no ana sa wo ba no eda ni chima no enti obodam okun ne ho oye ni ama ense fata na ho ofe ehiraye oye basa wentimi amma
back to
self. Now, who of any raya in the name of Odo
love, yeah.
Entino. Now me start say Odo Amaso. The year 2000, no.
Wow.
the year 2000 now, not sex issues in some sabe ba na me kun on hwe me ma me kun akofa mpna me kun se menum bon. I don't know if I can say na vagina bon. You know, me we say me cut it say. And it's about the size but it's the knowledge. Anyhow, o kunu be ho yire nim. Na wa kanfo no. Na ka se me nim ye osinya but se me chiro. Na we wie no timi ada na se. But what you say, enti odo ahoma so no. A relationship, marriage, and sex education. Because I was here to me, yeah, my hote. Now, Obi Biara to me, comfortable.
Yeah.
But what I say, and to me, my warrior, I'm good by grace, even if there's misunderstanding, because that maturity, ye name ye hono enche. Our dear, I to say a cynic at Trema. We ain't denya. Oberfum. Now, for moi, Ukobon don't come. Oh, ya warrior, your mother phone munina ba. Baby says ye jazz any no.
Just say the way Uncle for announce or my warrior any relationship you go yente.
Yente. And there is endurance in our demo. What I say, one young warrior, and dear also won't say Ube kun kakra, no so kun kakra, and your one win affair, a two-way affair. I say sacrifice. I say and Pema Grodier. Said Debia Obanon Quan Munipa. And Obanon Quan Emisa, Obanon Quan and Camedasia, ever frono. Me pacha what you say, enti domi mami no be, obi no be kwa. Eya Abena Ghana wa hu ofenti ena me dowo. Ubunti ena me dowo, onya me sumti na me dowo, wejuma dinti ena me dowo. Enti so warrior, I was say we sharp, intelligent. I mean, we are productive. Your mouse doer. I will say to me, multiple.
Yeah.
But what I say, oh baby, anyone was all can say, my bremi kunu, and I'm a bremi. And you now can't no cray. Money home, no, some kind of cringe. They will move on.
Then you move on and pa. Program me may sure say a lot of testimonies. Go for being afraid, yeah. Asi and your more omuntimi ni mpamwagro. Wetimi abwa. Aside that, now you're on radio, you're on TV, just to make sure say, yeah, you will feel no, you're no, and effective ye.
To some personal
time limits no, because only radio or TV. To make sure, say, audience, you know, what's your stories? People write to you and all that.
Yeah.
I was say, oh, make sure, say, oh, solve your more problems.
Yeah.
Oh, solve your be no more dear. Na if ye.
Nyamiantum, boko.
Okay.
Once I me worry so many years, and son I me right into showbiz more. Enti me kun onimi ye etimase. Miss Minnie etmase. And yes, I can be sure me running 22 years.
Yeah. And
yet TV and radio in here. Me hear other things. I travel out of home. But set trust no more. And you know each other well, you have your peace of mind. To me, why so many years as I'm about into the show be seen. But those who don't know me, even today, they tell you I'm not married.
Oh. Are they?
I don't know why they think that. Maybe because me for me ma into social media, me for me kun into social media no. Obi won adwuma oye.
Okay.
But what I say, me ma bebre mo social media.
But Obi
yes. Eso adwuma me, eso adwuma me kun so ye.
Okay.
And I didn't know say me mengo sade mani nyina
together.
And
so it's all about AMZ. We should focus on you as a brand.
That's
what's
right.
that Akandrama?
Cantata.
Cantata.
Yes.
And you were all over. How did you discover so betimia ye? You know that thing was drama.
That's right.
And it was really nice. But they say the time you started, you know, any now, no. How do you see this kind of stage nyama acting near the momo time, no, compared to now?
Okay. In time, no, cantata. Cantata, yes, oh, I take a cry, not to young kakra. Who say me, I come here. It has become part and parcel of me. And to me, I say, me to no more, and need the Americano, ebeko. And see, Nana Bosumpra the second, his soul should rest in perfect peace. But education, the empowerment, I mean, yeah, feel honor. It's wonderful. A boy me day-to-day activity. Now, cantata was different from
and stage
acting, no. Na Nana Bosompra, you're very straight. Or Popio, you're sharp or you're smart. Ah, who soon or sister, sorry.
Wow.
So, or see, or see, you know, you have to be
Dynamic, all round
person. And Tina can tata no, you're fine. And on a selection, so they are super because the money never go on a super. You want for Chabema. And see, the beauty was selling, and then you were good. Dancers womb and you to for womb, and you see musicians that though. But practice,
true, yeah.
You know, makes man perfect. It's powerful.
It's powerful. You try your home, encouraging cross your bar. It's still the journey.
Come on, cheers, baby.
Cheers.
Time ladies.
Say I'm malaria, but no not too for I want to so time herbal make sure malaria, but no not too for I want to so time herbal make sure time herbal make champion, fever draw, booking con, a comedy draw, tatache, and one time ever make sure, time ever make
on your menu phone. Abofra on the Fiedumiano, ain't me Fedro.
For hospital and NASA lab, me and you a 3-day monshushimu, and send away to me and no medro yibi.
Kayo, set time no, a TIME.
FDA aji ejadi enkra tuwe yi atum.
Tomato mix when I'm doing it. Huh? I don't want to leave tomato mix in Ghana. Ah! Yankwe.
Oh, this is what I call Adriana.
Secret Nani LEAP. Lip. Someone who said leave tomato mix there. It was superb and palatable taste. No soup, so there were large and small sizes for chop bars, restaurants, and if you feel.
This advert is FDA approved.